Okay, so I'm going to explain the Pigpen cipher code. So the way it works is if you had like the letters A, B, C, A through I. So look at what A is. So they just use the part of the grid that A has. And so that symbol would be A. So like if you wanted B, I would use this symbol. Okay, so that's kind of how the code works. If you want J through R, you're going to use the same box symbol, but with a dot. So look at M. Okay, so M, there's the three sides, but not on the left, and then where the dot is. Okay, try to get the dot where it should be, but it'll also go by that there is a dot with those three sides. Okay, and then for S, these are going to look like little arrows. So like here's S. So you can notice it's just the top part of the arrow. Okay, and then W through Z use the arrows with the dots as well. So like if we took my name, because that's one of your tasks, I'm going to have Eden. So I'm going to have a box and then D and then N. Okay. And that would be my name in Pigpen. So let's just say I did yes. Okay. So here's the Y. So we're going to draw a little arrow. The E is a box and then S. So we can make words just using those symbols, okay? So that's kind of how Pigpen works. If you can't write your name, I tried to give you a hint that if you, in Google Docs, you can go to Insert Drawing, because these symbols won't show up, or you can just use plain paper, write it on paper, and then take a picture of it, save it to your drive, and you can insert that picture, okay? So there are ways for you to get that. We've got a message here for number one, your name, and then I've got three jokes that I just want you to decipher. Okay, so this is just another code for you to read and to write in. All right, well, email me if you have questions. Good luck.